Hi everyone, I'm Grace with Livermore National Charity League, and I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite brownies, which are the Ghirardelli chocolate ones. And so, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look on the back and read all the instructions and figure out which brownies you want to make. And then you should also make sure your hands are always washed. And then you're going to come over to the oven and preheat it for the degrees it says to preheat it. So this one says to preheat it at 325, and you press start, and then you can start your baking. I find it easier to mix it all together if you put all the wet stuff in first. So we're going to start with the 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, now we do the water. And then you're going to put that off to the side. And you take an egg and you crack it. So you're going to grab your scissors and do your brownie mixer. And then you're going to and make sure it doesn't overflow everywhere. And now we're gonna mix it. You have to make sure you get it all mixed together. So after it's all mixed, you're going to want to grab the right size pan and your butter to make sure the brownies don't stick to it. Once you have your butter, you're going to make sure you butter it really well. And make sure you get the sides and the little corners. And then once that's done, you can put your brownie mix inside. And you're gonna make sure to get the majority of it out. And make sure it doesn't drip. And then once you have it all in there, you're gonna fill it all out. Once you're done putting it in your pan, you're gonna check to see how long the bake time is. This one says 45 to 50 minutes. So you're gonna take your pan and you're gonna be careful because it's hot, and you're gonna stick the brownies in the pan and set your timer. We're gonna do 45 minutes. And now they will cook. So this is always an extra, but my favorite part is to eat the extra chocolate out of the bowl, and it's always a treat to do it. So. When it smells like it's done, make sure to check it since the oven temperatures can vary. So you're going to take a toothpick and an oven mitt and open it. And then you're going to try to poke more to the middle. And if it comes out like that, then it's done. Gonna wanna have 2 in case it's heavy. And you're gonna put it out onto the stove to cool. And then shut that. And you're gonna turn it all off. So after they cooled, you're gonna wanna cut them. And you can use a plastic knife or a real knife. And you're gonna cut it and make sure you get all the way through. You cut all on the side. Then all you gotta do is eat them and share them with your family. Thanks. Hope you had fun watching my video, and thanks for my mom for videoing.